ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am excited to introduce a groundbreaking innovation in the field of environmental safety and monitoring, our advanced drone system designed for the detection of toxic gases. As we all know, toxic gases pose a significant threat to human health and the environment. Traditional methods of gas detection can be time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes hazardous to those conducting the measurements. That's where our cutting-edge drone technology comes into play. Imagine a world where toxic gas leaks can be swiftly identified and contained, minimizing the risk to human life and the surrounding ecosystem. Our drone system is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors specifically calibrated to detect a wide range of toxic gases, including carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, and more. These sensors are incredibly sensitive, enabling the drone to detect even trace amounts of these hazardous substances. Allow me to walk you through the key features and benefits of our toxic gas detection drone. In the event of a gas leak, time is of the essence. Our drone can be deployed within minutes to the affected area, providing real-time data on gas concentration levels. By using a drone to carry out gas detection, we eliminate the need for human operators to directly approach potentially dangerous situations. This significantly reduces the risk of exposure to toxic gases. Our drone is equipped with advanced flight control systems, enabling it to navigate through complex environments such as industrial facilities, urban areas, and remote locations. This ensures comprehensive coverage and accurate gas concentration readings. The sensors on our drone are designed to provide highly accurate and reliable data. This information is crucial for making informed decisions and taking appropriate actions in response to gas leaks. Through real-time data transmission, our drone enables remote monitoring by experts who can analyze the situation from a safe distance. This feature is particularly valuable for emergency response teams and environmental agencies. Traditional methods of gas detection often require extensive manpower and resources. Our drone system optimizes the process, reducing operational costs and resource requirements. By swiftly identifying and mitigating gas leaks, our drone technology contributes to the protection of the environment and the prevention of long-term ecological damage. As we prepare to demonstrate the capabilities of our toxic gas detection drone, keep in mind the potential impact this innovation could have on various industries, from industrial manufacturing to emergency response. With its ability to provide real-time, accurate data while prioritizing safety, this drone represents a leap forward in environmental monitoring technology. In a moment, you will witness our drone in action as it detects and maps the dispersion of a simulated toxic gas. This demonstration will showcase its agility, precision, and its potential to revolutionize the way we approach toxic gas detection and response. Thank you for your attention.